Guys, welcome back to my channel, Simple Life with Joy. For today's video is we're going to the sunflower farm. Okay, guys, dumating na tayo dito sa malapit sa farm. So it's very hot, guys, so I need this. I need this one, guys. So let's go, guys. Guys, we are here in our destination. This is experimental sunflower. We are here close to our work, guys. So ang ganda, guys. So let's go. We have to wear our sunglasses. Okay, guys, nandito na tayo. So it's no admission fee, it's free. This is for the government. So it's experimental farm. It's very nice, guys. Wow, so nice. Look at that. Yan. So it's so close, very close to our work. So we just drop by here after that party, and here we go. Where's the sunflower? Sunflower there. Alright, guys, so there. I'm just wondering why they called sunflower sunflower, because of under the sun there. Because of under the sun. Is botanist na ako ngayon, guys. No, it's only for me. Guys, that's it for today's video. August year 2020, and explore the sunflower. It's very nice, guys. Come here and visit this farm. This is free, no entrance, guys. Okay, see you on my next video. Maraming salamat. God bless to all.